Hello and welcome to the HPA Learning channel. Today we will discuss that how to earn money online. So I'm gonna to share it with you guys. There are some ways by which easily you can start your online earning. Number one, YouTube. From YouTube you guys can earn money, but it depends on your content. If you think you have a good content and you can attract the large number of audience, so go for it, but there are some conditions. Number one, you must have 1k subscriber on your YouTube channel, and number two, you have 4000 watch time on your channel. When you complete both of these conditions, then your channel will be monetized and your earning will be started. Number two, Amazon. As you know that nowadays Amazon is the best source of online earning. On Amazon you can work as affiliate marketer, virtual assistant, Amazon seller, Amazon dropshipping, and so on. Number three, blogging. By blogging, if you have an idea about the content writing, so you can write an article on website, and also you can on the Amazon you can provide as a content to the Amazon sellers. So blogging is the best way of online earning. And last is freelancing. Freelancing also is a major part of online earning. Many people are doing freelancing and they are uh, doing online earning. For freelancing, you have to uh, you have to develop two things. One, that is your communication. Your communication will be strong, then you will get an order. And second thing, soft skills. Both of these things you have, then you will be the successful on the freelancing.